All right, so you couldn't figure out how to move these symbols, these horizontal grid symbols, over to the right side and not on the left side. It's really simple. Just click on a grid line, click on the check mark, and then click on the check mark on the right side. Okay, and then of course repeat that process for the rest of them. And you will have all of your numbers, your grid symbols, on the right side of the page or the east side of your building. Just like that. Then, to verify, just use your measuring tool and measure from the very tip, the very edge of the symbol itself, which basically is right there where that line intersects with the symbol. Stretch it all the way to the wall, and it's 12 feet 8 1/4 inches. All right, so good luck.